Okay, happy Valentine's, everyone. Don't you just love Valentine's Day? I do. And I love these elementary school, silly, cute, quaint, grown worthy Valentine's Day cards. And I miss them. And so this year, inspired by all of the creative AI tools that are growing all around us, I decided, could I make my own strange, quaint, cute Valentine's Day cards? And I did. And I was also, want to mention, I was inspired by a project by Janelle Shane. This is from 2 years ago, so pre-chat GPT, of her weird Valentine's Day cards. So please check out aiweirdness.com to see more of her work. So I figured out a workflow to do this, and I'm going to share it with you so that you can do it on your own as well if you'd like to. Okay, so I'm using ChatGPT. This is 3.5. This is the model that's currently publicly available for free. And I just said, hey, give me 10 Valentine's themed rhymes that could go on a Valentine's card, less than 12 words each, because I want them to fit on these small, tiny cards. And this is the stuff that ChatGPT is really good at. You know, it's looking at a bunch of text that already exists, like rhyming words and Valentine's Day related words, and it can spit out these kind of amazing phrases immediately, okay? And then I said, yeah, these are good. These are typical. I don't like them. I think they're so cheesy. Make them weirder. Okay, so then we get 10 more, and this starts to get funny and good. These are all really good. You can read through them. I'm going to try number 6 here. Like mismatched socks, we're oddly paired. In love's weirdness, we've declared. It's so cute and weird. Okay, I'm going to copy this. And then I take this over to Adobe Firefly, which is generating images. And if you don't have Adobe Firefly, then you can use any of the other existing current ones that you can find, and I'll put some links in the description for you. And I just pasted in this phrase, and I said, hey, create an illustration for a Valentine's card that matches the phrase that ChatGPT gave me about mismatched socks. And I click generate. Let's see what we get. Some weird socks, I'm assuming. Oh boy, I'm actually kind of nervous. What are we gonna get? Oh, what would this even look like? Mismatched socks and love. Oh boy. Okay, we've got mismatched socks. This is pretty good. Look, this one even says happy. This does not say Valentine's, but it's close, right? It's kind of weird. This is cute. This is holiday-esque. Okay, this third one's weird. The legs, I can't with the legs. Okay, I'm gonna go with this second one here, which is gonna be the easiest to integrate into my card, and also it's my style the most. It's simple and straightforward. I'm gonna go with this. So I'm gonna click on it, I'm gonna download it. And it's gonna give you this pop-up that says, promoting transparency in AI, and I totally agree with this. Make sure that when you're doing this and you're sharing these, you're being really clear that these images and text were generated by AI models. So click continue. And then I'm coming over to pixlr.com, which is a free browser-based photo editor, and creating a new document, which is the size 2.33 inches by 3.16 inches tall, which is this correct size to print out on an 8.5 by 11. And I'm going to say create. I'm just going to drag in my image, add it to the current. Great. And I'm going to drag this out. Now I want to make sure that I have space for my words here. So I'm going to drag this down just a little. Take my layer 1, which should already be in your file, and I'm going to fill in the rest of the top here to get some extra white space. So click on your foreground color, and then I have my color picker. I'm going to click here to make sure that my color matches exactly. It's not quite white, it's close. Say OK, and then use my fill tool to fill in that layer here. This isn't quite enough space for me, so come back to my transform tool and move my image down a bit. Okay. And you can play with the arrangement of this, and actually, if I were doing this not on a video, I'd probably start erasing some of these elements here to make more space at the top. So then I'm going to take a text box, make a new text layer, and just paste in my mismatched socks rhyme. Pick a fun font, choose a fill color that matches my image. So I'm using my color picker to select this red, say okay, and then move this, oops, undo. Then move this text up to the top so that we can read it. It's a little bit small. Go back to my text tool and make this bigger. Okay, there we go. So I might spend some more time just messing with the alignment here, maybe deleting some of these elements. But you get the picture. Once you're done creating this final Valentine, go up to File and Export. And export, hello. Quick export image as PNG. You get 3 free exports a day unless you make an account, which is free, which you can do and log in. So go ahead and export that. And then finally, I've made just a Google Slides template that's 8.5 by 11 so that you can print to any standard printer. I'm going to take my image and drag it into my template to replace. And there we go. I can make as many of these as I want. It just happens so quick. And I'll share this slide template with you too, so that when you're finished, you can download as a PDF and just print straight to any standard printer. Notice also I have included a disclaimer, a transparency note that the Valentine was made by AI using ChatGPT and the model and Adobe Firefly, and then combined manually by me in pixlr.com. You can print these two-sided so that that prints on the back of your Valentines. I hope this is fun. If you have questions, of course, let me know, and happy Valentine's Day, everyone.